Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. If you've ever spent hours making a beautiful wood project that didn't sell, you're not alone. Many people assume that the more complex or detailed a piece is, the more likely it is to attract buyers. But in reality, craft fairs work very differently. Customers are not looking for complicated builds, they're looking for simple, useful, and affordable items they can quickly understand and easily take home. At a busy craft fair, people make decisions in seconds. They walk past dozens of booths, scanning for items that catch their attention instantly. If a product is too expensive, too large, or unclear in purpose, it often gets ignored, no matter how well it's made. And this is where many sellers struggle. It's not about effort, it's about choosing the right products. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive tools, premium materials, or advanced skills to succeed. Some of the fastest-selling woodworking items cost less than $10 to make. They are small, practical, and designed for impulse buying. When you focus on these types of products, everything changes. Sales become more consistent, production becomes easier, and your confidence as a seller starts to grow. In this video, we're going to walk through 7 woodworking projects that are proven to sell fast at craft fairs, all while keeping your costs low. These are simple ideas, but when done right, they can turn into a reliable source of income. Let's start with the first project, the wooden phone stand. This is one of the most dependable products you can make. Almost everyone owns a smartphone, and most people use it daily on a desk, kitchen counter, or bedside table. A wooden phone stand solves a simple problem. It holds the phone upright, making it easier to watch videos, follow recipes, or take calls hands-free. What makes this item so powerful is its simplicity. Customers don't need an explanation. They see it, they understand it, and they immediately imagine using it in their own space. That instant connection is what drives quick sales. From a production standpoint, phone stands are efficient. They require small pieces of wood, minimal cutting, and very little finishing. You can make multiple units in a short amount of time, which helps keep your cost low and your profit margin high. And if you want to increase value, you can add small details like engraving names, initials, or short phrases. Personalization makes a simple item feel special, and customers are often willing to pay more for that. Moving on to the second project, wooden coasters. Coasters are a classic craft fair item, and for good reason. They are practical, easy to bundle, and appeal to a wide range of buyers. Instead of selling a single piece, you typically sell them in sets, which naturally increases your total sale per customer. Another advantage is variety. You can create different styles using natural wood slices, clean modern cuts, or even burn designs. This allows you to target multiple tastes without changing your core process. Some customers prefer rustic, natural finishes, while others are drawn to smooth, minimalist designs. Offering both gives you a better chance of making a sale. Coasters are also lightweight and easy for customers to carry, which makes them an ideal impulse purchase. At craft fairs, convenience matters. If an item is easy to pick up, easy to understand, and reasonably priced, people are far more likely to buy it on the spot. If you're finding these ideas helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We focus on practical, real-world strategies that help you create products that not only look good, but actually sell. Now, let's talk about the third project, small wooden plant holders. Home decor is one of the strongest categories at craft fairs, and plant-related items are especially popular right now. People love adding small touches of greenery to their spaces, and a wooden plant holder is a simple way to elevate that look. These holders don't need to be large or complex. In fact, smaller designs often perform better because they are more affordable and easier to place in different areas of the home. A customer might use one on a desk, a shelf, or a windowsill. The flexibility makes it more appealing. From a seller's perspective, this is a great opportunity to increase value. You can sell the holder on its own or pair it with a small plant for a bundled product. This creates a more complete offering and allows you to charge a higher price while still keeping your costs relatively low. Next is the fourth project, the wooden key holder. This is another item that combines function with decoration. Every home needs a place to keep keys, and a wall-mounted key holder provides a simple solution. At the same time, it adds a warm, handmade touch to the entryway. What makes this product effective is that it solves a daily problem. Customers often lose or misplace their keys, and when they see a product that offers an easy fix, they are more likely to buy it. It's not just a decorative item, it's useful. Design plays an important role here. Clean layouts, simple hooks, and small decorative elements like text or patterns can make a big difference. Phrases like home, welcome, or home sweet home add an emotional element, which increases the appeal. The fifth project is the wooden candle holder. This is one of the simplest items you can make, but it has strong visual impact. Candle holders are often purchased as gifts or decorative accents, which makes them a consistent seller. They also allow for creativity without adding complexity. You can experiment with different shapes, finishes, and arrangements while keeping the basic structure the same. And because they are small, they require very little material. Selling candle holders in sets can significantly increase your revenue. A single piece might sell at a lower price, but a set creates a stronger perceived value. Customers often prefer buying a complete set rather than a single item, especially when it's intended for decoration. Now let's move to the sixth project, the small wooden serving tray. This item feels more premium compared to the others, even though it can still be made at a relatively low cost. A serving tray has a clear purpose, but it also fits into the home decor category, which increases its appeal. Customers often imagine using it for coffee, snacks, or decorative displays. That versatility makes it more attractive. Even though it may cost slightly more to produce, the selling price can be much higher, giving you a strong profit margin. The key here is presentation. A smooth finish, clean edges, and a well-chosen stain can make a simple tray look high-end. When something looks premium, customers are more comfortable paying a higher price for it. Finally, the seventh project, wooden quote signs. These are highly popular because they connect emotionally with buyers. A short phrase or meaningful quote can turn a simple piece of wood into something personal and memorable. The most effective designs are usually clean and minimal. Instead of long sentences, focus on short, impactful words or phrases. Trends also play a role here, so paying attention to popular sayings or themes can help you stay relevant. Quote signs are especially strong as gifts. Customers often buy them for friends, family members, or special occasions. This adds another layer of demand beyond personal use. What makes all 7 of these projects successful is not just their design, but how they fit into the craft fair environment. They are small, affordable, easy to understand, and quick to produce. These qualities make them ideal for impulse buying, which is one of the biggest drivers of sales. Another important factor is efficiency. Instead of working on one item at a time, focus on batch production. Cutting, sanding, and finishing multiple pieces together saves time and reduces effort. This allows you to produce more items without increasing your workload significantly. As you start applying these ideas, you may notice a shift in how you approach your work. Instead of focusing only on creativity, you begin to think about practicality and demand. This doesn't limit your creativity, it actually gives it direction. If you've made it this far, take a moment to like the video and let us know which of these projects you would start with. Your input helps us create content that matches your goals and interests. Another advantage of these products is flexibility. You can easily adjust colors, finishes, or small details to match different seasons or trends. This allows you to refresh your inventory without starting from scratch. Presentation is equally important. A clean, organized display can make a huge difference in how your products are perceived. Warm lighting, simple arrangements, and consistent styling help create a professional look that attracts more customers. Over time, these small improvements add up. Your booth becomes more inviting, your products become more appealing, and your sales become more consistent. By the end of this video, it should be clear that success at craft fairs is not about making the most complicated items. It's about making the right items. When you focus on products that are simple, useful, and affordable, you create a system that works. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical ideas, profitable projects, and simple strategies to grow your handmade business. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you create woodworking projects that not only look great, but sell fast. Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.